This shirt is making $28,763 every single month. And in this video, I want to show you how these 3 design hacks will allow you to make epic designs just like this that can bring in a serious amount of sales. These 3 design hacks won't cost you a penny. Typically, this is what may happen before watching this video. You'll want to create a design. Maybe you'll do it in Canva and realize that you need to pay for the pro account to actually make use of any of the designs you want to use. Then, you might also invest some more money into some editing programs to further your designs. And finally, you might sign up to a vector site of some sort to get some cool, unique graphics. Basically, it's going to cost you some money. Well, I want to show you how you can bypass those things. Let's get started. Here is the design. I know it's not an incredible design, but it sells. And quite honestly, that's the only important thing. We're going to break this design up into 3 parts, and each part will have an associated design hack to it that I want to show you. Now, I'm not suggesting you copy this design. We're just using it as a simple example. When creating your own designs, try to be as unique as possible. I don't condone any sort of copying or ripping off of any other artists. The first step is downloading free editing software. We're going to use Figma like in our previous video. Figma is free and you can design lots of designs in one file. You don't need unlimited files to make use out of it. Once you've downloaded Figma, you need to open a new file and create a frame that's 5400 by 4500 pixels. We're going to start with the first hack, and that's going to be manipulating the font. Let's write it out. Why, yes, I can drive a stick. Once deciding on a size and a font, you then want to arch it. If you've used Figma, you'll know this isn't possible without a plugin. Head over to plugins, find more plugins, and download Arc. Now all we need to do is select the words we want to arc, click plugins, and then click Arc. Once this green box pops up, we can choose the curvature of our arc. All we need to do is repeat the process for the bottom arc. That is hack 1, curving our letters with a simple plugin, and we still haven't spent a penny. The second part of the design is the witch. I want to quickly tell you about our sponsor today, who is me. Oh, hey. Hey. Yeah. 1 minute.
You go.
So I want to tell you about the sponsor, and that's me. I know, I'm him. It's a weird one. But anyway, I want to tell you about my print-on-demand course. If you're liking this video and you like the tutorial style videos and you want further help, well, I've created a full step-by-step print-on-demand course. And before you get annoyed at me for creating a course, this isn't a course where I'm charging $1,000 or $500. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted a place where I could create really helpful directional content. My course is only $10. It's the most affordable print-on-demand course out there. I didn't do it to make money. I kind of did it because I wanted to be able to create this really helpful, usable, step-by-step content. But I didn't want to just fill up my YouTube channel with that because I'm loving creating like educational and entertaining videos on YouTube. And occasionally, a step-by-step. But this way, I'm able to create all of my step-by-step stuff and put it in the course. So if you do want to get the course, the link is down below. Definitely go and check that out. Yeah, awesome, thank you. And now let's get back to the video. So now we want to head over to Canva, not the Pro. Using the free Canva subscription is absolutely fine. The only downside is A, you won't have as many graphics to choose from, and B, you won't be able to download with a transparent background. A simple search for a witch and we have plenty of free options. Now we just need to download this. And usually with the Pro, you'd be able to select transparent background, but I'm assuming you might not have the Pro subscription, so I won't tick that. Now we need to drag that file into our Figma canvas and use the next plugin. The plugin is called Remove BG. And with this one, you'll need to actually sign up online, which is also free, so don't worry. Once signing up, you can get an API key that you'll input into Figma, and then it's a matter of clicking Remove BG, and boom, it's gone. just like that. That was hack 2, removing the background again without spending a penny. And now that we're nearly there, let's go over the third and final hack. At the moment, we have the words curved and the image on a transparent background ready to go. But if we want to do anything to this image, we can't, because it's just a simple image. And that's where the third plugin comes into play. This plugin turns the image into a vector so that it becomes fully editable, the color and the shape. You want to go to plugins and install Image Tracer. This will then place a traced vector file on your canvas. You can delete the old image now and just work based on the vector. You can see how the vector is much better quality. It's not pixelated or anything. And on top of that, we can now choose the color and we can double click this image to adjust the shape however we want. And that was the third hack, making the free image from Canva fully editable. With all of that, you can see how we have created this exact design. But more importantly than that, we can use these 3 plugins to make so many awesome free designs. Like I said before, don't copy this design, but use these plugins with Canva and with Figma to create so many incredible designs. If this tutorial helped you at all, please smash that subscribe button and help me hit 100,000 subscribers. If you like this tutorial and you want one more insane design hack that will take any boring design and make it epic, you've got to watch this video next, where I go over exactly how you can do that.